Hello everyone, I'm Guillaume, factory drivers for RTRC, and today I will show you basic things to check on your RTA V3 before hitting the track. Let's see.
In this video, I will explain what camber is, how it affects your chassis, and share a few tips to help you understand when to change your camber angle. So, first of all, what is camber? Camber is the angle of the wheel along the y-axis. On almost every vehicle, camber is negative, meaning the top of the wheel leans inward. Its main purpose is to optimize the tire contact patch while cornering. When the chassis rolls and weight transfer to the outside of the car, the tires naturally deforms. With negative camber, the tires stay flatter on the track during the corner, which improves lateral grip. However, too much camber can reduce the tire's contact patch under load, causing a loss of grip and making the car unstable. On your RTA V3, you have two camber options available: 2 degrees knuckles or 1 degree knuckles. By default, your RTA V3 comes with the 2 degree knuckles. They are ideal for most track conditions. However, on very high grip tracks, the 2 degree knuckles can become too aggressive and may cause traction rolling. That's why I recommend switching to the 1 degree knuckles on track with a lot of grip. Also, avoid reusing the same tires after changing knuckles. The tires will already be worn according to the previous camber angle, meaning the contact patch will no longer be perfectly optimized. When switching from 2 degrees to 1 degree, you may lose a bit of steering, but you will gain stability. If the change feels too aggressive, I recommend lowering the sidewalls by one step to recover some front steering. If you want maximum steering, use the 2 degree knuckles. But as soon as you start experiencing traction roll, switch to the 1 degree knuckles.